Hey Daniela, so we're going to use our double facts to help us solve and find some sums, so the answer to an addition problem. So we know our double facts are examples like right here. When we add 3 plus 3, or 7 plus 7. When we're adding the same number twice, we're doubling the number, or using our double facts. So one way we can solve is if we have 3 plus 4. Instead of doing 3 plus 4, because we know our double facts, we know that 4 is really equal to 3 plus 1. So what we can do is we can just add 3 plus 3, which would give us 6, and then we can add 1 because 3 is 1 less than 4, so it would become 7. So we know 3 plus 4 would equal 7. Or the other way we can do it, instead of doing 7 plus 6, we can do 7 plus 7, which we know is 14, and then we subtract 1 because 7 is greater than 6. So we know 7 plus 6 equals 13. And I'll show you another example on the next page for how this works. So this is what your classwork is going to look like. It's going to ask you to write a doubles fact you can use to find the sum, and then to write the sum. So we're looking for the answer to our addition problem. So I'm going to do it both ways. On the left here, we have 2 plus 3 equals, and we need to find the sum. So I'm going to use my doubles fact using 2. I'm going to use one of the numbers from the problem. So I'm going to do 2 plus 2, which we know is 4. So now how can I use this doubles fact to help me answer 2 plus 3? Well, instead of doing 2 plus 3, I did 2 plus 2. And since 3 is 1 greater than 2, I'm going to have to add 1 to 4, which will be 5. So I used my smaller number to use my doubles, and I added 1. Now over here, I'm going to use my greater number. To solve 4 plus 5 to find the sum, I'm going to use the greater number 5. And we know 5 plus 5 equals 10. So now I have to look back. I used my greater number, and since 4, if I look at the equations, they're set up the same. 4 is 1 less than 5. I will have to subtract 1 from 10, which will give me 9. So today when you're doing your work, you can solve it either way. You can either choose the smaller number and use your double facts, then add 1, or you can choose your larger number, use your double facts, and then you subtract 1 to find your sum.